In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Squarespace, a task that you'll find both straightforward and intuitive once you get the hang of it. Whether you're looking to expand your website or better organize your content, understanding how to effectively add new pages can greatly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is access your Squarespace account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, navigate to the Squarespace website, and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Squarespace dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your site's operations. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a vertical menu with several options listed. Look for the one labeled Pages and click on it. This will open up the Pages panel, your go-to place for managing your website's structure and content. The Pages panel is an integral part of Squarespace, offering a clear overview of your site's navigation and making it easy to manage how visitors will interact with your content. Within the Pages panel, you'll see different sections that help you organize your pages. One of these sections is Main Navigation. This is where the primary pages of your site are displayed, those that typically appear in the main menu of your website. If you're looking to add a new page to become a central feature of your website, this is where you'll want to focus your attention. To add a new page, look for a small plus icon next to the main navigation heading. Clicking this icon will initiate the process of creating a new page. Squarespace offers various templates and options to get you started, allowing you to choose one that best suits the content and style of your new page. This seamless integration of templates makes it easy to maintain a consistent aesthetic across your entire site. Alternatively, if you're interested in adding a page to a drop-down menu, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. First, hover your cursor over the drop-down menu where you'd like to include your new page. As you do this, a prompt to Add Page should appear. Clicking on this will allow you to include your new content within that specific drop-down menu, helping to keep your site's navigation clean and organized. By following these steps, you'll be able to build out your website in a manner that promotes easy navigation and a great user experience, all while maintaining a cohesive look and feel. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now feel confident in your ability to manage pages within Squarespace.